Hello everyone, today let's go for a ride in the 2019 Acura MDX A-Spec. So the MDX A-Spec, this is the previous generation MDX. In the MDX A-Spec you get the micro suede or ultra suede inserts in the seats. Similar to the new one, you get this cool looking trim with like these black background and lines going and like these checkered lines going across it. And you also get a perforated steering wheel, power tilt and telescoping, ventilated seats, and heated. What I really liked about the previous generation MDX, this is the third gen MDX, is it just feels, the steering is heavier than the newer ones. It just feels more driver oriented than the newer MDXs. The MDX steering, the new ones, is pretty numb, and the engine sound is fantastic. Look at that VTEC and crossover noise, it's fantastic. I mean, the engine noise is so good in these previous gen MDXs. It's that super all-wheel drive. The A-Spec comes standard with the all-wheel drive. And this system does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is wired. The Apple CarPlay would show up in the top screen. You use the rotary knob to control. And also has the factory navigation. It's pretty outdated, but it's got it if you need it. But this does not have a panoramic sunroof. This has the regular sunroof or moonroof. Very comfortable seats. This would be a great daily driver to haul your family around in, and look stylish too. That noise is incredible. So this has the 9-speed transmission. It's a little bit laggy, as you saw there. It responds a little bit better in the TLX from this gen, but it does the job. Let's take a run this corner. Gets to the corner pretty well, even at high speeds. It does have body roll, obviously. It's a 3-row SUV, but it's not bad. Metal paddle shifters, which is cool. Alright. Thank you for watching this video of the 2019 Acura MDX A-Spec, and stay tuned for more videos.